Sun-Free Glow Patch is marketed as a futuristic tanning solution that supposedly gives you a bronze glow without sunlight, tanning beds, or messy lotions. But the real question is, do the claims actually match the results, or is it mostly clever marketing around a weak cosmetic effect? Now, to be fair, sunless tanning itself is completely real. Cosmetic ingredients like DHA have been used for years in self-tanners to temporarily darken the outer layer of skin without UV exposure. What it does well, avoids UV damage. If the product works at all, the biggest advantage is avoiding direct sun exposure and tanning bed risks. Patch format is convenient. Compared to sprays or mousses, patches can seem cleaner, simpler, and less messy for users who dislike traditional self-tanners. Where it falls short, the dramatic tanning claims are questionable. This is the biggest issue. Many ads imply dramatic full-body bronzing from a tiny patch, which sounds scientifically unlikely unless the active ingredients spread throughout the body in a meaningful way. Very little independent clinical evidence exists. There is currently limited publicly available research proving that tanning patches consistently produce strong, even tanning results. Results are likely subtle at best. Even if the product works somewhat, the visible effect may be much milder than the deep golden glow shown in advertisements. So, do the sun-free glow patch claims match the results? Short answer, probably not fully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.